Here's three nice pieces of bordering on crystal opal. It has got some potch, as you can see, the grey, dark grey on the top there. The material's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. Reasonably straightforward to cut, I think. If you want to cut it into stones. Like I say, there's a bit of potch there on the top, a little bit undulating. See there through the profile, it's a bit of a hollow in the middle. Over this side it's more convex. Lucky last but not least, it's quite a bit thicker, this piece of semi-crystal. Bit of grey potch on the bottom there. That's probably the bottom, I'd say. Lends itself to be cut that way. Sides are going in. So I'd say that's probably going to be the top. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.